Here we go, from the beginning till the end. Gotta get it, don't forget it, my friends. Live your life, love it right. Keep focused, 3 steps ahead of your sight. Protect your neck, even if you gotta fight, cause the sucker wanna take you and break you. Never trust a fake fool, they only out to make a loot off for you. But in the end, who really kept it true? No matter really now, but now we know who. See, everything I've done, son, and everywhere I come from, live by the gun, but never bust for fun. Only protect against those bums who live off the scum. Always putting in work, and I'm still not done. Obsolete the way I speak, that's why I go by oblique, crushing the concrete below my feet when I'm stomping the street. I'm on a mission, dividing the division, headed straight towards a crash course, on a mission to find my commission. See, I'm on my grind, and I'll never stop to rhyme. I'ma get it till I win it like it's trophy time. Never knew where I was going, but I always stuck to flow, and now I see the road ahead, and I keep on strong. Only I can light the fire in me, like I've gone on a firing spree, but not entirely. I'm on inquiring fees, MCs can now pay me, cause didn't you know, man, in this world isn't nothing coming for free. Come on now and put up your hands, let the movement move your movements till you just can't stand. I'm on a rhythm that takes, not your average arithmetic, but I write scripture when I spit. Why? Because my mind stays equipped, I stay true to the realest of things. Never been the fake type to pull strings. I'm on the rhyme schemes, delivery's what I bring, MCs is what I breathe, sparking the arc all day, so the light is what I see, making history with these words that I bleed. I had to build this army, it didn't build itself, working the field to mill my wealth, telling myself never put the mic down on the shelf, cause only I can get the deal at hand dealt. But now I'ma just let this debut album musical melt. See, I know aftermath, but I know my path. My memories are faded like hash, so I look back at them and laugh. I'm only guaranteed death because forever life don't last, and if you're not careful, your existence will be gone in a flash. See, I'm on my grind, and I'll never stop to rhyme. I'ma get it till I win it like it's trophy time. Never knew where I was going, but I always stuck to flow, and now I see the road ahead, and I keep on strong. Only I can light this fire in me, like I've gone on a firing spree, but not entirely. I'm on inquiring fees, MCs can now pay me, cause didn't you know, man, in this world isn't nothing coming for free.